Hey guys, we received this on and 2 packs furniture dolly cart for test and try. So this is a perfect furniture movers or the portable trolley cart with wheels. So basically there are two sets of moving dolly with the capacity and the things. So this comes with this two rolling carts thing, and you can also see. So this is a high quality material with the wheels in the bottom, and then you can just put your luggage on it, like your heavy material, and then you can just use it. So here's two of these, so you can combine this.
You can also lock these two things together. You can see one have the groove and the other have a different attachment here. You can just put this on the top of this and then you can just make it stick together. So this way you can put long things or big things on it.
And put a luggage, and then so for a demo purpose, I am just putting something just to show like the size, so you can put in both. And then on the single side you can also use it, like it's easy to carry your stuff from one place to other. So basically a nice thing to have and very helpful in moving your big stuff with this dolly. And then yeah, like I will say, it's a helpful thing. You can just put in all your boxes and stuff and then just move it with the wheel.